And welcome back to Football We Go, and still searching for their first win of the 2022 FIFA World Cup qualifying campaign. The Reggae Boyz battle Canada at the National Stadium on Sunday starting at 5 p.m. Simon Preston has our preview.
A number of players missed the trip to the United States due to various reasons, but coach Theodore Tapa Whitmore is uncertain if there will be any replacements called up for Sunday's game. Whether he gets a boost to the squad or not, he's confident with what he has to face the Canadians.
Well, again, that's a difficult question. I have to speak with the manager because I think we have passed the deadline to invite players. So I think we have to give them the club's 14-day notice. So I think any player might be available now would be our local players. I only can control what I have control over, and that's a reality. We might not get in the desired result, but still have confidence, still have faith in this group.
Anthony Grant will be available for selection against Canada, and he has belief the Jamaicans can turn this campaign around.
We're still gelling as a team. I think we've got good players. Once the team clicks, it will click, and it might look like 4 wins, 4 losses, and 1 draw, 2 draws. We don't know, but obviously we need to start picking up points and hopefully do that as a team. With many views swirling over the future of Coach Whitmore, Grant made his view quite clear. Of course I've got faith in Whitmore. Obviously he's the one that brought me into the setup, and obviously by me playing I'm trying to back up his choice of picking me. So I got full trust in the manager and I back the manager. So if I get picked on Sunday, I just got to try do my best for the team and for the manager and the fans. Jamaica holds a record of 6 wins, 9 losses and 6 draws against the Canadians. The Reggae Boyz have never lost to Canada at home in a World Cup qualifier. The last time both teams met in a competitive game was in the quarterfinals of the 2017 CONCACAF Gold Cup, where Jamaica won 2-1. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.